So Binita is here. Binita, if you could also come on video.
Yeah, just
that
a
would be
minute.
great. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, actually, doctor, I suffer from acute insomnia. There are times when whole night I don't get any sleep. I have to be on the pill. Like I go on the pill for a month and then I again come, my sleep comes back. It has happened 3 times already in around 5 years. For a month, I have to take sleeping pills and then slowly I come out of my sleeping pills. Again, at present, I'm going through this phase where I don't get sleep at all, at all. Any
Okay.
affirmation?
Yes. See, affirmations are given according to the issue the person is facing. And what you say is the projecting problem. It's an effect of the cause. Okay. So when I look at your energy here, I could feel that there's a lot of things that you need to express and let go from your body and your mind. So when you do that, definitely there will be a lot of difference in your sleep pattern. Yeah. So if I have to give one affirmation towards it, it would be, I express myself.
I express myself
Fearlessly.
Fearlessly.
Happily.
Happily.
And completely.
Happily and completely.
Yes. This is what the affirmation is. Why? Because if you're giving permission to yourself to express what you have suppressed already. Yeah? So then there will be a point when there is a traffic jam of your mind will start lowering. Okay. And when there's no traffic jam, there's no too much noises in the mind, then that will be the point where you can, slowly allow yourself to relax.
Okay.
And when you start relaxing, your brain will accept the sleep.
Okay.
So not having a sleep, there are multiple things, there are multiple reasons to that. I'm talking here according to you. Okay. But when we come to other people also, the sleep pattern has to do many things, many beliefs or many fears in them. So one by one, when the people understand what exactly is blocking this sleep pattern, it will be very easy for them to replace it and overcome that. For you, this is the affirmation.
Okay.
And when you're doing the affirmation, you have, yes, sorry.
I express myself fearlessly, happily, and completely.
Yes. So the way of doing affirmation here would be, when you're doing the affirmation, okay, you have to close your eyes and you have to first start breathing for 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay. Just normal breathing. Okay. Normal breathing. Do it for 1 minute. Okay. When you're doing that, then say to yourself this affirmation.
Okay.
And when you're saying these affirmations to you, there's a possibility that you will meet many incidents of your life that is popping up. Okay. So whatever is popping up, write it down.
Okay, write it down.
And yes, write it down. So when you write it down, you will know where you need to work to overcome this pattern completely. So anything that is coming physically in the body has to do with the stored emotions. And the last thing that is affected is the body.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And how many times do I have to do this? Once, twice, how many times?
See, if you can feel what you're saying, okay, then repeat it for 1 minute at least.
Okay.
And if you feel as I'm repeating, I'm seeing many things coming up, surfacing. Okay. So keep on repeating it until you see the things have surfaced.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And whatever has surfaced, you have to let go of that. Because when you're filling the space with this, you have to let go of the negative that is stored already.
Okay.
So in starting, you may feel that, you might be needing 5 minutes. Then slowly, you will see that it is reduced, that the time is reducing by itself.
Okay.
So follow your intuition, follow your connect here.
Okay. Okay.
And if possible, look into your eyes and say.
Okay.
Okay.
No, but I close my eyes, and how do I look into my eyes?
No, at least 1 minute. 1 minute. When you close your eyes, you have to breathe.
Okay.
You have to breathe and allow your body to relax first. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah?
Then open my eyes.
At that time, you also, no. At that time, after that, repeat the affirmation for 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever you feel like. allow the incidents to come out and release it. Then after that, when you're done, look into your eyes and repeat it at least for 11 times. Because this time you're giving surety to your own self, your own inner self.
So, okay. And repeat 11 times. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, Vinita, for joining.
you.
Hope this helps you. Do practice it and do let us know how you feel.
Sure, definitely.
Thanks a lot. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
joining.
Thank you.